Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Include Other Headphones to measure audio levels on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Privacy and Security. Next, in here, we go down and then tap on Health. Then tap on Headphone Audio Levels. And if you turn on Measure Levels, you have the option to include other headphones. So tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And it said here, the Health app can estimate audio levels for devices where a true sound level cannot be determined. These estimates are based on the volume level of your iPhone. This includes other devices plugged into your iPhone. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.